Hey guys, welcome back to Sony Craft. This is Pooja again, and I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to post the videos lately, but देर आए दुरुस्त आए. So let's get started for today's video. In today's video, I will show you how I made my resin boxes. So you all know by now that I am obsessed with resin. If you follow me on Instagram, then also you can see that I do a lot of work with the resin, and I started taking online classes as well for the resin. So in today's video, I will demonstrate how I made resin box. So I'm just mixing the resin, give as per the given ratio. The resin which I'm using is a flash resin, so it has a less working time, and it's a thick viscosity, so it's 3:1. So, and just whenever you mix resin or you measure resin, I'll always suggest that please use a proper digital weighing scale so that the ratios are correct as per the resin requirement, and then mix them slowly by scraping the sides. So once your resin is thoroughly mixed, I am mixing with them with the pigment. So for this box I have chosen the black blue theme with obviously a slight of golden and silver glitters, or that I'll decide later on. So here I mix three pigments. One is the pink, dark pink pigment from epoxy, then a black pigment again from epoxy, and blue pigment again from epoxy. So I will be using some crushed glass as well. These are all available with many resin suppliers these days, so very easily available in India as well. So, and of course none of the resin work is completed without the lacy white, right? So I've mixed some of the white, so let's get the mixing. So after mixing the pigments, I just taken a MDF box which I had applied gesso already, and then I put a tape around the start your resin work. Make sure that you have a leveled surface. So I'm just using the leveler here, so check that if the surface is level from all the sides. And when you see, then I applied the tape half an inch above the box, so it will give some space for the resin to stick to the box, and it will give me a slightly thick layer of resin above the box. I will not be using any crystals on this box, as I do not like. This is a watch box, so it has 3 compartment, and I'll post the finished product link, sorry, the picture on my Instagram. So if you really want to see the finished product, you please follow me on Instagram, and then you can see that how this box has turned out. Now let's start pouring. So I'm just using the black color resin first, and I'm just random, it's completely a random thing. I've not taken anything in my mind that I'll be going this way or this. So I think you just enjoy the pouring, and it's all your creativity. In resin, actually, I must say that there is nothing right or wrong. You just need to know how your resin reacts and how your colors will blend into each other, and feel free to use your colors whatever you want. What you need to be take care of it whenever you are working with the boxes, that your tape has to be applied thoroughly and properly, and it has to be stick, or else otherwise you will ruin your box. Or the another process is that you just remove the lid of your box altogether, and then do your resin box, and once the resin work is completed, you can reattach the lids and their handles, and your box will be ready. So Okay guys, so it's more than 24 hours now I poured this, so now it's time to remove the duct tape and see how the boxes has come out. And I will not do the any flood coat over it because the box is already looking very beautiful. I'll just paint the sides once again, and I might use some do some stenciling work on the sides, and the boxes will be ready. Hope you guys will love this box. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to see many other items which I make during my weeks and couldn't upload the video or couldn't shoot a video for all of them. I hope to see you on Instagram. Bye bye. Take care.